to me, I knew the kids are a constant and they're never going anywhere, and I'm never gonna leave them and they're never gonna leave me. Hi, I'm Marissa. I have 3 children, Jack 10, Kiara 8, and Billy, who's almost 7, and I have 3 tattoos. This is my 3rd tattoo, actually. This is the first one that represents the children. It perfectly captures the essence of each of them, I think. My son Jack is the red bird, and he's all the way over here on his own. And the other 2, Billy and Kiara, are together, which they often are. They're always together. They definitely talk about it and show other people and say that that's us, and they know who's who, and they like to talk about it.
All our favorite colors are on our beads.
So my bird's red, his bird's blue, and her bird's pink.
I was always thinking about getting 3 little birds once I realized that 3 was the end number of the amount of kids I was gonna have. And I just didn't know what kind of birds to get, what the picture was gonna be, and I was just kind of waiting, probably a couple years. At that point in my life, my husband and I were contemplating separation. I think I thought I was beyond repair of him and I as a couple, and my focus was really the kids and kind of like the next steps of what was gonna happen. And then I went to a hotel, and there was this wallpaper with 3 little birds, a picture with 3 little birds on it, and I took a picture of it and I was like, that's my tattoo. Which, to me, I knew the kids are a constant and they're never going anywhere, and I'm never gonna leave them and they're never gonna leave me, so that I knew was right. And they will always be right, and that's why this tattoo will always be right, and it will always be perfect. When I took the picture, I kept it on my phone, and I knew I was going to California the following month. I was going with a couple friends, and when I went to California, we had officially decided we were going to separate at that point. We had already separated, and that's when I got it. I think because of the separation with my husband, there's definitely a different dynamic now with the kids, and there's a shift in how often I see them, which I do see them plenty. But when I'm not with them, they're still with me because I can look at this, which is better than a picture or anything else. And they're always with me, no matter what, so I don't ever feel alone. Love my tattoos. Every time I look at them, I love them more and more.